Hello everyone, welcome again to English with Teacher James. How are you doing? I hope you are doing fine. I hope you are doing great. I hope you are doing pretty well. Okay, today we are going to continue from where we ended yesterday. Before we do that, I would like to ask you some questions. Who can remember what we learned yesterday? Great job. Yesterday we learned about traveling. Okay, traveling. How can you travel? We can travel by land, by air, by sea. Okay, traveling by air we use airplane or helicopter. Traveling by sea we use ship or boat. And traveling by land, what can we use? We can use cars, we can use truck, we can use taxis. Okay, that's good. Today we are going to continue from where we ended yesterday. Let me share my screen so that we can continue with our lesson for today. But before we continue with our lesson, students, don't forget our class rules. What are our class rules? You look at the teacher. You listen to the teacher. You answer the teacher. You sit down and be quiet. Okay, are we good? Alright, let me share my screen for today's lesson. Okay, can you see my screen? Alright, this is good. This is awesome. Look at this transport worksheet. You write your name, okay? And you look at these pictures. Can you see everyone? Look at the pictures, okay? Oh, sorry. You look at the pictures. Okay, this is my pen. This is Tom. What is this? Bicycle. Great job. And this is Tom's home. Where is Tom going? Where is Tom going? How can he get there? Where is Tom going? Who can answer? Tom is going home. Great job. How can he get there? He can get there by bicycle. Alright, very good. We can see that Tom is going home. How can he get there? He can get there by bicycle. Very good. Look at this. Where are we going? Can you see this? This is a fire station. This is a fire station. And what is this? The subway. Great job. Where are we going? How can we get there? We are going to the fire station. We can get there by the subway. Very good. Great job. We are going to the fire station. We can get there by the subway. Great job. Now let's look at C. Question C. Can we get to the island on foot? This is an island. And what is this? A boat. Very good. Can we get to the island on foot? What is the answer? No, we can't. We can't. We can get there by boat. We can get there by boat. Great job. D. How can you get to the tea shop? How can you get to the tea shop? You start with the answer with what? I. How can you get to the tea shop? Who can answer? Look at this, everyone. I can get to the tea shop by car. I can get to the tea shop by car. Great job. I can get to the tea shop by car. Okay. Look at question E. What is this? Hospital. And what is this? The train. Okay. How can I get to the hospital? How can I get to the hospital? Look at what is the answer. I can get to the hospital by train. Very good. I can get to the hospital by train. Look at this. This is my train. I can get to the hospital by train. Look at the next question. Excuse me, can we get to the zoo by bus? What is this, everyone? Van. Van. Very good. Excuse me, can we get to the zoo by bus? What is the answer? No, you can. You can get to the zoo by van. Very good. You can get to the zoo by van. Okay. Look at the last question. Okay. Excuse me, can they take a taxi to the beach? Excuse me, can they take a taxi to the beach? Answer with they. Look at this. No, they can get to the beach by truck. Look at this. This is our truck and this is the beach. They can get to the beach by truck. Alright, student, I would like you to listen to the teacher. Okay, practice this at home. Okay, because in our next class, I am going to ask you a question based on what we are studying now. Do you understand? Alright, great job. Let's look at it again one more time. This is Tom. This is Tom's home. This is what Tom uses to move around. Where is Tom going? How can he get there? Tom is going home. He can get there by bicycle. B. Where are we going? How can we get there? We are going to the fire station. We can get there by the subway. C. Can we get to the island on foot? No, we can't. We can get there by boat. Question D. How can you get to the tea shop? How can you get to the tea shop? I can get to the tea shop by car. Question E. How can I get to the hospital? How can I get to the hospital? I can get to the hospital by train. Excuse me, can we get to the zoo by bus? Excuse me, can we get to the zoo by bus? No, you can't. You can get to the zoo by van. No, you can get to the zoo by van. The last question. Excuse me, can they take a taxi to the beach? No, they can get to the beach by truck. They can get to the beach by truck. Okay. At the end of this lesson, the students should be able to know the different means of transport. Okay, you should be able to implement them in your daily conversation. Okay, you should be able to implement them in your daily conversations. Okay. Alright, let's continue with our lesson for today. Let me quickly share my screen again so that we can continue. Look at this. Okay. Just a moment. F5. Okay, can you see this, everyone? How does he get to school? Look at this. He travels by skateboard. He travels by skateboard. Great job. Look at this. How does he get to work? He travels by car. He travels by car. Right. How does he get to school? He travels by bus. How do they go fishing? They travel by boat. You repeat after the teacher. How does he get home? He travels by airplane. He travels by airplane. How does he go to vacation? He travels by van. He travels by van. How does she get to the park? She travels by bicycle. She travels by bicycle. How do they get home? They travel by motorcycle. They travel by motorcycle. How does he get to the farm? He travels by tractor. He travels by tractor. Okay, everyone. At the end of this lesson, the students should be able to practice after the teacher. Listen to this video and practice after the teacher. Okay, everyone, you listen and practice after the teacher. Okay, let's continue. Look at this. How do they get to the fire station? How do they get to the fire station? They travel by fire truck. They travel by fire truck. How do they get to the hospital? They travel by ambulance. They travel by ambulance. How does he go to school? He travels by hot air balloon. He travels by hot air balloon. How does he go to work? He travels by helicopter. He travels by helicopter. Alright, we will end here for today, everyone. But before we go, let's go and look at our homework. Please make sure you always do your homework, okay? Always do your homework every day. Okay. Let's look at our homework. Means of transport. This is your homework for today, everyone. Drag and drop. Can you see this? Means of transport. I've sent it in the line group. Okay, you go there and do this exercise. So drag and drop. Okay. 2. Choose the right answer. You choose the right answer. Look at this. Is there a green van? You choose the right answer. Don't forget to click finish. Check my answer before you take a screenshot. Alright, that was it, everyone. Please make sure you watch the video over and over again and you practice after the teacher, okay? Alright, we'll end here for today. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you again next time. Goodbye. Sawadee krap. See you again. Goodbye.